Hi, we're back cooking with Sharon, and I just have one question. How many of y'all have an air fryer and don't use it? Or you have an air fryer and don't use it efficiently or as much as you should? Or how many of y'all have an air fryer and don't know what to put in it? Okay, well, I have a solution for you. And today, I know for that busy mom or dad or that college student, you may have this in your dorm room. I don't know if those are allowed right now, but I don't know. These are very popular air fryers, and they do almost anything. But today, I want to show you how to make something very quick, simple, and healthy. So, well, somewhat healthy. We can mix and match some of our sauces in the future, but we're just taking a simple salmon and we're going to make it a bang bang salmon. So you all, I don't know if you've seen the episode where I make a bang bang shrimp, but today we're going to do a bang bang salmon in the air fryer. And man, as long as you have all your ingredients, it shouldn't take more than 15 minutes, hopefully. So let's get started. I have just some filleted salmon here. You can take a regular, if you purchased a bigger piece, a bigger side piece, you can use that. And we're just going to cut into little pieces. Let's see, how big do we want? I think we'll do them like this. Yeah. And yeah, those are big. Those are good. And then we're going to, I have some seasoning here for some Cajun seasoning, garlic. I also have a smoked paprika we're going to use, and olive oil, and then just regular traditional salt and pepper. So cut your pieces of salmon into just like little bite or squares. They could be bite size or a little bit bigger, and put them in a bowl. And then we're going to season them up. While you're doing this, turn your air fryer on 350 and get that started. Okay, let's see. Oh, I don't know if I cut that piece right. It's okay. Okay, and then have your seasonings ready. And again, this could be something that you could prepare and put on a salad, or you can eat as an appetizer, or you can put on a bed of rice. There's a lot that you can do with this. So I just have some olive oil right here. We're going to take the olive oil and kind of coat it. And then just about a tablespoon and a half or so. And then you're going to take a little bit of the Cajun seasoning. How you can make this a little bit different, we can make this into an Asian type of salmon, like with a miso, soy type, type of flavor profile. Oh, this is kind of spicy, I can tell. Take garlic. All right. Mix that. And then smoked paprika in here. Coat that. And a little bit of pepper and salt. Just a little salt, rather. Okay. So that's nicely coated. And then you're going to take, I don't know about your air fryer, but mine, I have, most of them have baskets. Mine here has 2 different rows. So I'm going to take one of the baskets and just place my salmon on here. And we're going to cook it for about 6 minutes, 5 or 6 minutes. Okay. And while that is cooking, we're going to make our sauce, our bang bang sauce. You don't want them too close together, but I mean, they don't have to be touching or spread apart too much. We'll just put everything in here. And again, if you have a basket type air fryer, no worries, just place everything in that basket. And we're just going to slide this in. Very simple. Okay. Let's see. I'm going to take. All right. And set the timer. Put that in. And okay, like I said, 350 for about 6 minutes. Okay. It's making me preheat again, but it's okay. And while that is cooking, we are going to make our sauce. So I have right here, it's about a cup of mayo. Take the mayo, and I have a sweet chili Thai, or a sweet chili type of sauce, sweet chili sauce. About 2 tablespoons of that. We'll just add this to the mayo. And then I have sriracha. You can add about, maybe like a half. Well, if you want it spicy, then you do it to your liking. But I'm going to take probably about a teaspoon of sriracha. And I'm just going to mix all 3 of these ingredients together. Again, you can do a different type of sauce. You can do a miso glaze. You can do a teriyaki. You could do just plain. You don't even have to have a sauce. I know this is where all the calories is, but this is where the bang bang is too. So this sauce, I think I'm going to add in just a little bit more sriracha. Just a little. Okay. It looks like my air fryer is not trying to, it's on preheat. I hit a wrong button. But just make sure yours is going. And like I said, it'll be about 6 to 8 minutes in the air fryer. That's it. Just make sure that your sauce is mixed well. If you have a little whisk, that would actually work a lot easier than the spoon that I have. But it's getting the job done. All right. So, it looks like it's trying to start back up again. But let's talk about all the things that I'm sure you already know this about your air fryer, but you can put a whole lot of everything in there. And it's a lot healthier than using your regular process of frying things. So, and it's good for reheating some fried foods that you may have. I know that that's always a good thing. Okay, so your salmon bites have been in your air fryer for about 5 to 6 minutes. Let me check ours. Yes, these are looking very good. And look at them, y'all. Just, okay. Look, they're nice and they look very good. And they're ready to, oops, I'm making a mess. Let's put them in a bowl. Put this off to the side. And then we have our sauce that you've made. We're just going to, well, I'll leave some off to the side, but I'm going to sauce some of them. How am I going to do that? Yeah. Just because for, the healthier person who doesn't want sauce, we're going to put those off to the side. And you don't have to have sauce, but these are nicely cooked. I can tell. And we're going to add our bang bang sauce. Yours should be nicely mixed. And we'll just toss it. And that. And you have some on the side. Okay, so we'll plate it up. Now, wasn't that so simple? I mean, for that busy person that just needs a quick, easy, and delicious entree or snack, the air fryer is where it's at. I'm telling you. I mean, if you're not using your air fryer at home, you need to start using it. Because that was so quick, wasn't it? And simple. So, we have our plate here. And like I said, it doesn't have to be on a bed of lettuce. It could be, you can eat it by itself. Or you can just top it on a salad. And then I have some spring onions that I've cut or diced up. So if you are familiar with the Bang Bang shrimp, this is the salmon version. So I hope you enjoy it. Until the next time, we'll see you with Cooking with Sharon. Thanks.